My video is about removing the online scam by the website Labernisk.xyz. It's a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Labernisk.xyz, basically tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups, do not trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other types of infections which could still possibly remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.